You're about to get the 3 strongest stocks in the stock market, not available on any other channel. The last 10 trades that we called went up. You're watching the #1 day trading channel for making consistent profits in the stock market. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. The last stock we called out was FNGR stock, which we covered at $2. You get a really strong parabolic move on FNGR within 3 trading days, and the stock rallied to $7.16, which is a surplus of a 300% increase. Now that you have an idea of my track record, let's get straight into the money making. The first stock is stock ticker ELAN, Elanco Animal Health. This stock has serious potential. The stock currently rests at about $11.75. And if we can get into this stock at a good price, I can see Elanco coming all the way up to $12 plus. All right, so we want to look at the stock and we want to make sure that the stock stays above $11.75 and the stock can rally to $12.18, $12.47, and even $12.85. Watch Elanco Health because this is one of my top stocks to watch on Monday. That's July 17th. We want to be watching this stock. Hey guys, I just wanted to take 30 seconds to let you know about my trading program. If you lose money in the stock market right now, you're not too different from my traders like Kiana, Firemedic51, and Skexis who are losing money before they found my trading program, which let them make money through my training and my callouts every single trading day. If you want to start making consistent money in the stock market, schedule a call with me. It's 100% free. I'll give you a trial. I hope you'll try me out. Click the link below and I'll give you a call. The other stock, okay, stock number 2 that I want you to keep an eye on is a stock called LESL. LESL, this is Leslie's Incorporated Company. This stock has had a serious gap down. Leslie stock can rally from where it's at right now. It's currently sitting at about $6.50. I want to sell the stock at $6.84, $7.17, and $7.40, okay? LESL is our recovery play. Stock number 3 is a stock called GKOS. This is a Glaukos Corporation. This stock is a little choppy, but it can still yield serious profits if we trade it correctly. I want GKOS to stay above $77 and it can rally to $80.46 and $81.47. If you're going to trade one stock on this list, I recommend that you focus on ELAN. ELAN is probably most likely to rally of all 3 of these stocks, and ELAN is at the best price right now. The other stock, LESL, is my rank number 2 stock. LESL Leslie's has a lot of potential in terms of a gap down swing trade. You can buy this stock and hold it for a few days and see what happens. The third stock, GKOS, can do well, but make sure that you only trade this stock as a scalp. GKOS is a stock that's at about $80 right now. It's at all-time highs. It has a lot of upside potential, but it has a lot of downside potential as well. Additionally, the stock is valued at $80 right now, so not everyone will have enough trading capital in their accounts to trade GKOS effectively. So keep an eye on ELAN stock, LESL stock, and GKOS stock. If you're wondering why I don't publish my trades on this channel every day, it's because I'm too busy helping my pro traders make money. Every single day, every single trading day, I help my pro traders make consistent money in the stock market by giving them my top trades and showing them where to buy and where to sell. If you want to know where to buy and where to sell the strongest stocks in the stock market and you're interested in growing your trading account, you can schedule a free call with me by clicking the link in the description. You can also get access to my free Discord community and my free Telegram group. All you have to do is check the description, click the link below, and I'll see you guys in the stock market. If you want to know how to spot stock market manipulation, please click this video right here.